You'll start off by grabbing the document that came with the camera. There is a QR code located near the bottom. It's best that you cover the upper portion of the second QR code so that you cannot scan it. With your phone, click Add Device. If it asks for permissions, you're going to allow the permissions. You will then scan the QR code. It's going to come up with the code properly. You're going to hit Add Device. Read through this if you'd like. You need to be connected on your Wi-Fi that you're going to connect the camera to. The device needs to be powered on, and you should be close to the device as you're doing this. You'll click Start. There's an indicator on the camera that will be flashing. You're going to click that its indicator's flashing and it's ready to connect. If it asks to access your Bluetooth, select Allow on that. When it asks you for Wi-Fi access, you allow that. Locate the network that you're going to connect to. Enter the password for the network. You can connect. If you're by the camera, you will hear the camera beep if it connects properly. And the camera will announce that Wi-Fi is connected. It will then announce that it was added successfully. You can name the camera. Give it a name that you would like, because once you add more cameras, you may get confused on what the camera is. If you're in daylight savings time, make sure you adjust your daylight savings periods. The camera is now added into the application.